Welcome to Iran, where Taarof is not just a word. It's part of our lifestyle. But what exactly is Taarof?
تعارف توی خونمونه همه جا همراهمونه بعضیاشون درستکی خیلیاشون
Hey Thea, would you
Hi.
like some?
No, thank you.
Why? Take more.
No,
Not
دست
apple.
شما درد نکنه.
No way, go on.
No,
Go for
thank
it.
you. Are you
Well, I know you
sure?
love it. Take
Okay,
some.
thank you.
You're welcome.
دست شما درد نکنه.
تعارف توی خونمونه همه جا همراهمونه بعضیاشون
Taarof is an inseparable part of Persian etiquette and manner. And when we want to show our politeness, we use some phrases or words that we don't really mean it. Just we want to seem polite.
تعارف توی خونمونه همه جا همراهمونه بعضیاشون تعارف توی خونمونه همه جا همراهمونه بعضیاشون
You are in a restaurant and at the end of your meal you ask the waiter or waitress to bring you the check. The waiter or waitress tell you, be our guests. Don't be surprised. They just want to seem polite. And again, it's Taarof. You should insist, and then normally after 2 or 3 times they bring you the bill.
تعارف توی خونمونه همه جا همراهمونه بعضیاشون
Enter the elevator and there are other people at the doorway. You can see people saying, first you, after you, be my guest. And this game continues sometimes even for several minutes. And finally, after several, offering, then one of them accepts to enter the elevator.
تعارف توی خونمونه همه جا همراهمونه
You see that your Iranian friend wearing a very beautiful ring and you say, wow, you make a compliment. I say, wow, such a beautiful ring. And then I offer you, you can have it. It's yours. I don't need it anymore. But it's just part of Taarof. I really don't mean it. I just want to be, polite. And you should say, no, thank you.
تعارف توی خونمونه همه جا همراهمونه
And when you can recognize if somebody really means something. For example, when you're traveling in Iran, many Iranian people invite you to dinner, to their house, to garden. First, you should say no, thank you, for several times. And after 3 times, 4 times, if they insist, you can accept and be sure they are really mean it.
تعارف توی خونمونه همه جا همراهمونه بعضیاشون درستکی خیلیاشون هم
Let's travel with Persian walk.